Introducing Rubanmaster, the all-in-one device for laser cutting, engraving, and SLA 3D printing. With highest precision and fast speed, Rubanmaster will help you turn your imagination into reality. Are you a creator working on prototypes, or just have fantasies and lots of ideas about what you would like to build? Rubanmaster is the perfect device for do-it-yourselfer as well as semi-professional and professional users. The limitless opportunities will help to boost your creativity and inspire you. Rubanmaster provides astonishing high-resolution 3D printing quality with a laser movement accuracy of 0.005 millimeters and 600 millimeters per second laser speed, 3 times faster than typical SLA printers. And it's so easy to set up. Just flip it to change from printing to cutting or engraving mode. You can cut or engrave paper, wood, leather, fabric, cardboard, non-transparent acrylic, and many other materials. With 2.5 watt laser power, Rubanmaster is up to 3 times faster than other laser engravers and cutters, providing you an incredible surface finish and fine details. Rubanmaster is designed very user-friendly and comes with our customized software. You can easily connect through Wi-Fi or load your files on a USB and print, cut, or engrave directly from there. And it's all open source, giving you even more opportunities to customize and develop. Our mission is to create an affordable device for everyone that brings more fun to people and boosts their creativity, helping them to get closer to their dreams. Rubanmaster is an innovative and versatile product that is enjoyable and affordable and allows you to create real objects. Are you a creator? Then bid for your Rubanmaster now and start to turn your ideas into reality.